सबसे पहला न्यूमेरिकल यह है कि मून अर्थ के दो डायमेट्रिकली अपोजिट पॉइंट्स पर 57 मिनट्स का एंगल सबटेंड करता है और हमें मून की अर्थ के किसी भी एज से डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है। जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है कि मून अर्थ के दो डायमेट्रिकली अपोजिट पॉइंट्स पर 57 मिनट्स का एंगल सबटेंड करता है। पहले हमें इस 57 मिनट्स को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो थीटा इज 57 मिनट्स। 57 मिनट्स इज 1/60 डिग्री एंड आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 1 डिग्री इज π/180 रेडियन। सो इट इज 57 into 1/60 into π/180, that is radian. This is theta. If this is theta, then AB will act as an arc. Its value is 1.276 into 10 की power 6 meter. It is given in the question. So diameter of the earth is given 1.276 into 10 की power 7 meter. Now angle, you know that I will apply the formula. Angle is arc upon radius. Angle is 57 into pi upon 60 into 180 is equal to arc, that is 1.276 10 की power 7 meter upon that is r. Now this r is 1.276 10 की power 7 into 60 into 180 divided by 57 into pi. Pi is 3.14. Now if we solve this value, we come out to be, the distance between is come out to be 7.696 into 8 meter. So this is the average distance from the moon and the earth. Another question in the same pattern is, suppose a sun whose diameter I assume to be small d, and the distance of sun from the earth is 1.496 10 की power 11, that is 1 astronomical unit, and the angular diameter of the sun is given 1920 seconds. It is called angular diameter. Then we have to find linear diameter. It is called linear. Linear means this actual length. Linear diameter. Have you got the question? Question is this: a sun angular diameter is given, means the ends of extreme ends of the sun subtend angle 1920 seconds at any point on the earth. This distance is known. We want this linear diameter. Then again we will use the formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius. So angle is given 1920 seconds. 1920 seconds means 1920 upon 60 into 60 minutes is equal to 1920 60 into 60 degree, or that is equal to 1920 60 into 60 into π/180 radian. That is required for us. So we have to convert first second into minutes, minutes into degree, and degree into the radian. Now we can apply the formula. Theta is equal to this sun linear diameter upon this distance capital D is equal to theta. Then we have to find this linear diameter. So D is theta into capital D. So if I apply D is equal to theta into D, that is 20 upon 60 into 60 into pi by 180 into D is given 1.496 into 10 ki power 11. So what does it comes out to be? 1.39 into 10 ki power 9. These two numerical will help you a lot. We will discuss more questions. Good luck. I am reading a question. A drop of olive oil of radius 0.25 millimeter is spreads into a circular film of radius 10 centimeter on the water surface. Estimate the molecular size of olive acid or oil. See, he is saying that a 0.25 millimeter olive acid drop whose volume is 4 by 3 pi small r cube is spread on the circular film of radius 10 centimeter, and if we assume that only single layer of this drop is spread on the total area, then we have to find the thickness of olive oil drop. It means we will use the volume conservation. What will use the volume conservation? Actual volume of drop must be equal to area of circular film into approximate thickness. Suppose it is T. So actual volume of it is I call it capital R. 4 by 3 pi small r cube must be equal to pi capital R square into T. T is that thickness which is assumed to be the approximate diameter of the olive oil molecule. So T becomes 4 by 3 pi small r cube upon pi capital R cube. Now I convert, pi will cancel out. This 0.25 millimeter is 0.025 centimeter. And it is already given in centimeter, so it is 2.5 into 10 ki power minus 2 centimeter. So here I will substitute 4 by 3 into 2.5 into 10 ki power minus 2 whole cube upon 10 square. So this will come out to be 2.08 into 10 ki power minus 7 centimeter. 2.08 into 10 ki power minus 9 meter. One more question is, if the size of a nucleus, that is 10 ki power minus 15 meter, is scaled up to the tip of sharp pin 10 ki power minus 5 meter, what roughly is the size of an atom? Means what he is saying, he is just giving magnification. Magnification means size of magnification. Example 4. Magnification is 10 ki power minus 15 is scaled up to 10 ki power minus 5. So we are having magnification 10 ki power 10. Now he is saying that what roughly is the size of atom. So size of atom is around, size of atom I already discussed, size of atom is measured in angstrom. Angstrom is 10 ki power minus 10 meter. So the size in new system after magnification is this multiplied by this. We will multiply magnification to the actual size, that is equal to unity. So in this way we are having some of the questions in magnifications also. I believe this will help you a lot. Thank you.